Okay, today let's introduce the array copy and the batch set of the soldering robot. For grid soldering, we start from a new file. It's very easy. File name. Any type we need to add a point. The position. Any position for this time. Now we add a point here. You can see here, add a point. Function. If we want to make 20 or 200. Function array copy. Array copy because here x number, that means how much point at x direction. Like if we have 10, we put 10. And y, if we have 10 also, we put 10. Or we put 5. And x step means like here. This one, how much is the distance? Like 20, if it is 20, we put 20. Y step, like Y step is here, this station. And this is a pass type. We have 3 types. This type means goes this direction. After finish this. This is like this 1, 2, 3, and this is like this. It's a soldering pass. We can choose anyone. I see. After set here, we get 50 point. 50 point. After this, after the 15 position, we edit the parameter. This is the parameter. This length is preheat. Heat. This length. If we want to set all the 50 points, the parameter we use the batch edit here. Batch edit. Length. This is edit the parameter. Length, like 1, we set it to 2.5. Just for example. Successful. And all the lengths we have changed. Let's check. 1, 2.5. 2, 3. Anyone we can check. 2.5. We edit all the parameter of all 50 points. Okay, it's just so simple. We edit 50 points. Okay, this is just additional video to introduce the 2 functions. Thank you.